Food Storage friends, you've probably noticed I've been a little MIA lately, but I promise it's for a great reason. I recently just launched a brand new website called Outsmart Dinner, where I share all of my best tips and tricks for making your kitchen clean itself, how to outsmart grocery shopping, how to outsmart the mom hustle so you actually enjoy dinner, basically refocusing my efforts on what matters most, which is getting people involved together in family meals. Now I know what you're thinking, I will still be sharing food storage secrets. Of course, that's actually my secret weapon to a lot of how I get dinner on the table so quickly. But I want to have you along for this journey. So here's what you can do in 3 easy steps to follow along. Number 1, check out my newest video, which is all about how to organize and keep your pantry tidy. Second of all, make sure you head over to the new website, outsmartdinner.com, and download the free download I have going right now, which is how to outsmart your Thanksgiving dinner, as my personal gift to you for being such a loyal follower. Number 3, you can also join our private Facebook group on Facebook called Outsmart Dinner, and I'll put the links below. And then lastly, make sure you're following along on Instagram at outsmart.dinner. I do great things where, like, every Friday I take you grocery shopping along with me so that you can see how to grocery shop, you can ask questions, how to save money, how to get the most for the biggest bang for your buck. I'm also showing great tips and tricks for getting dinner on the table, but I want you along for the journey. So make sure you follow these 3 steps and make sure you're on the Outsmart Dinner train, because making dinner is pretty much the worst, and together we can change that.